If you don't have a blog for your business, that's a no-no for show. You know what I'm saying? You're missing out on a lot of leads. B2B marketers who use blogs receive 67% more leads than those who don't. Blogs are great for increasing your website traffic, establishing yourself as an expert, and converting traffic into leads or sales. Making your blog stand out can be overwhelming, but in this video, I'm gonna break down a winning framework to create a successful blog for your business. What's up? It's Jamal, and welcome back to the channel. There's 3 things you must pay attention to if you want a successful blog: audience, content strategy, and promotion. The first step to a successful strategy is to define your target audience and the content topics you'll cover. Let's start with defining our audience. Who are they? Seriously, who are they? What problems do they have? What are their motivations? And how can you provide education to help them? Next, define the topics you'll write about to help inform your audience. Some topic examples are industry news, education, or inspirational stories. Once you know your audience and topics, decide on the type of blog posts you'll write: how-tos, list-based, thought leadership, or just some examples. Maybe a nice little article about me. No? Okay. Defining what best fits for your blog will attract loyal readers that style ultimately resonates with. For example, at HubSpot, we create content to educate marketers and small business owners. Our editorial topics include social media, email, SEO, and building your website. To execute our strategy, we start by drafting a monthly editorial calendar. This helps us keep track of audiences, target keywords, and deadlines. If you need more help with mapping and planning your content, you can download this free HubSpot guide that'll walk you through all the steps for creating your blog. I'll have linked it in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so now that you have a plan in place, it's time to create some content. Before you start typing away, here's how you can get the most out of your blog posts. First, you'll want to conduct keyword research to identify the terms people are using to search for the topic you'll be writing about. Tools like SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Answer the Public can help. Next, type those terms into Google and look at what web pages are ranking for those words and evaluate the structure of their content. A good blog post has an introduction, body, subheaders, multimedia, and a call to action. Subheaders are great to break up the post so it's easy to digest. Using bullet points and images make the post easy to scan. And having a call to action guides the reader on what you want them to do next. These essential factors will help you keep your reader on the page and convert them into leads. All right, so you have your content plan, you've written some great posts. Now let's make sure your audience can actually find your blog content. First, you want to use the terms found in the keyword research to optimize each blog post. To do this, you should include at least one main keyword in your post title, the URL, and the first 100 words, and the meta description tags. Other factors in supporting the performance of your blog in search include external links, internal links, content length, and multimedia. I have a video linked down below if you guys want to learn more about SEO. SEO is not your only strategy to drive traffic to your blog. You can use social media, your website, or your email newsletter to reach current and potential customers. The final tip I have for this video comes from an expert here at HubSpot. Once you have your blog up and running, perform a competitive analysis. This will help you identify trends and uncover gaps in the content in your industry. It will also give you ideas on topics and ways to promote your blog. And that was from HubSpot expert Caroline Forsey. I hope these tips help you get your blog off the ground. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. Please hit us up. I'm very lonely. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go start a blog and make it deliberately bad so that your blog ranks above it, and I'm gonna push everybody up on the STRP. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Our software is the worst.
Have you heard of HubSpot?
See, most CRMs are a cobbled together mess, but HubSpot is easy to adopt and actually looks gorgeous.
I think I love our new CRM.
Our software is the best.
HubSpot. Grow better.